Hello, my name's Emily, and today I'm going to show you how to make this craft. This is a penguin Christmas craft from Twinkl. Twinkl is an educational website that has crafts and educational resources for teachers and parents, and this will turn into a penguin. It is in Italian and English. First, start off with just cutting the pieces. Once you're done cutting the pieces, then resume the video. Okay, once you've cut out all the pieces, you'll have this and you'll also have this. However, there's something else you have to do with this. So you need to find that little line beside the feet and this little line beside the feet. You're going to cut where that line is, so then you're able to fold in the number 2 and the number 3. So now the number 2 can bend and the number 3 can bend. All right, so we are going to bend all those numbers down. So I bent the 3, I bend the 2, we're going to bend the 5, bend the 4, bend the 1. All right, now I'm left with this, right? All these little dotted spots, we are going to bend those as well. All right, so I'm going to bend over here. And I'm gonna bend. All right, now you see we actually have to cut this line right there so then we can bend. So I'm going to do that right now, just to where the black line ends on both sides. All right, so I had to cut it a little bit further. All right, so it should do that. All right, so continue folding where all those little white dots are. All right, I'm going to pause this. You keep on folding, come back when you've got it all folded. Okay, so I have folded in all the pieces, so it looks something like this. We are going to do based in the number order. So starting with number 1, you're going to need tape or glue. I am personally using tape, but you can use either one. All right, we're going to take that number 1. We're going to put that number 1 underneath. So it's the scarf side, and I'm going to put tape right there. All right, now the number 1 is underneath it. All right, add a little bit of tape or glue again. All right, the next part that we have. Right, the next part that we have, we are going to, let's see, there's a number 2. All right, so right there. All right, so the number 2, we're going to put right beside that number 5. So then it looks like the feet got connected, right? So I'm going to put a little tape right there. All right, now we're going to do that same thing, but with number 3. Right, here's a number 3. And we are going to put it on over beside the other feet. So then the feet will be connected again. All right, so far we've got the body, we've got feet. All right, we've done 1, 2, 3. Number 4 is next. So 4 gets attached at the back of it. So we're gonna pull it all over. We're gonna connect it to the back of his feet. All right, so I'm gonna get some tape again. All right, number 4. I have to pull this one a little bit. Put some tape or glue. And that's on. You might just have to bend it slightly to make it stay. All right, so then all of that is connected. We now have the number 5. Number 5 is going to go underneath. All right, there's 2 parts to cut. All right, you might have realized this before. I didn't realize this till now. There is these 2 parts that are going to have to go into each other that needs to be cut. It's a little black line right above the Twinkl logo, right there. And then there is one on the top part of the cone as well. So now you're going to have a little piece that comes out there, a little piece that comes out there. All right, for number 5, we're going to tape it underneath again. So grab some tape. All right, and we are going to tape right there. So now all of it connected at the bottom or at the base of it. We have these extra pieces. They're just going to go inside of the cone, right? Or you can bend it inward if you'd like to. All right, and then next part, you actually really don't need tape. What you're going to do is you're going to take those little pieces and you are going to put them into each other. So we will connect it together and it gets connected like that. Now I personally add a little bit of tape just to make sure that it stays, but it'll end up looking like that. And it's just a little bit undone at the back and not at the front. At the top, it just has that pointed part. All right, so now we're going to get this. This was the head. We're going to bend the number 9 down. All right, get some tape again. Oh, good. All right, we have this. We are just going to tape or glue one side to one side. So that one's not too hard. Those little parts are actually his arms. And all we're going to do is drop it on top. All right, you can glue or tape it in place, but otherwise you have this little guy. He can go on a desk, on a bookshelf, etc. You could even make a little hole there or glue and put some string there to make it an ornament. All right, this is your little penguin craft for Christmas, or pinguino for Natale. All right, I hope you've enjoyed this video and I hope it's helped. Bye.